Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon para lagi updated sa mga new upload ko. So for today video vlog guys, meron na naman tayong i-unbox. Ayan guys, ang ating product na i-unbox for today is sponsor time! George siya guys. So, kung interesado kang malaman kung anong laman ng box, ayan, dyan ka lang, buksan na natin ito ng mabilisan. So, meron ako scissor dyan. Siyempre, so, open natin ito guys. So, ayan, inisahang unboxing ko na lahat guys kasi magulo yung mga anak ko. Kaya, sinunod-sunod ko na ang pag-unbox. So, I think last na to. Last ko na itong i-unbox sa araw na ito. Next time naman yung iba. So, ayan siya guys. So, ito yung ating product. So, isa siyang true wireless earbuds. Ayan siya. Isa siyang wireless true earbuds. Okay yung packaging niya. So, white na white siya. So, meron nakalagay dito, A3. Ayan. So, ayun. Model niya pala yung guys, yung A3. So, ayan siya. Support iOS, Android, and Windows. So, earphone capacity is 36 mAh. Charging type C. V5 and 1.8. Transmission is range is 10 M. So, open na natin ito guys. So, mabalisang unboxing na lang. Nice ang packaging kasi meron pa siyang plastic sa labas. Tapos meron pa siyang box. So, packaging list guys, meron siyang earbuds, charging case, backup ear tips, Type-C cable, and instructions. So, ayan. So, open! Wow! Yan. Manual. Manual. So, meron siyang box dito. At ito siguro yung extra ear tips. Tama ba? Ear tips ba? No, it's cable guys. Ito yung kanyang cable. Power cable. And then, meron pa sa loob. So, ito yung extra, tama ba? Earpiece pa guys. Ear tips. Ear tips. So, ito yung extra ear tips. Tingnan natin, ha? Open natin. So, meron siyang apat na extra ear tips ba ito? Apat guys. So, yan ang kanyang ear tips. Ganyan ang kanyang itsura. Very soft lang siya guys. Soft na soft. So, meron siyang apat na extra. That's nice guys. Sabi niyo guys. Yeah, you're talking English. So, ito na guys. Meron siyang case. So, PASONOMI ang kanyang brand. PASONOMI. So, yan siya. Ito yung case niya. Maganda yung case. So, dyan mo siya i-charge, I think. Yeah. So, ayan. Umilaw pagbukas. Tama ba ginagawa ko guys? Yan. Umilaw siya pagbukas. Ito natin. So, ito yung kanyang itsura guys. So, yun siya. So, ito yung pinapalitan. Itong ear tips na ito. So, yan siya. Ito siya guys. Bluetooth earbuds wireless. Bluetooth 5.0 TWS stereo wireless earbuds. Microphone, web meeting waterproof. Bluetooth headphones. Touch control, wireless, earphones with charging case, headset. So, ang price na guys is $42. So, pricey din pala itong mga earbuds na to, no guys, kasi wala pa ako nito eh. First time ko lang magkaroon nito. So, i-pair siya sa Bluetooth. So, yan siya. Tingnan natin yung kanyang description. So, ang details niya is, brand niya is PASONOMI. Connection is Bluetooth. Color white. Headphones form factor is in ear. Then, item weight is 95 grams lang ang kanyang weight. So, instantly pairing. Ayan, once the case open, they will automatically connect with pre-connected device. So, ipipair lang siya sa Bluetooth. So, ang sabi, outstanding tuning, ensure proper sound quality with rich audio experience, and then 3 ear tips size option is snag the fit, and then touchpad control, quickly access to the function. Ayan. Super light. Ayan, weight 4.0 grams. You feel the music, not your earbuds. So, ito try natin later ito. So, yan siya. Bluetooth 5.0 support, latest BT 5.0 text stands for low latency and high definition audio sounds, suited for any genre of music with its transparent and natural sounds signature. Then, automatically marks. After first connection successfully, the earbuds will auto-connect with cell phone when you open the box and icon to check the battery of the earbuds and box in the cell phone. Long battery life. So, maganda yon, long battery life siya guys. Continuous music playback for 4 hours per charge, and with the help of the charging box, you will get continuous music playback for up to 30 hours. Ayan, and even if it's not enough for you. Fully charged inside the charging box, just 1 hour. So, madali siyang ma-charge guys kasi 1 hour lang. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin na ng 4 hours, or pwede mo siyang ilagay sa charging box, pwede mo siyang gamitin ng 30 hours. So, 1 hour lang yung pinaka pag-charge sa kanya guys. So, ergonomic design, future and ergonomic design, and provide great fit. The earplugs sits firmly into the ears. They are very light in weight, just 4.5 g, which makes the fit even better and comfortable for longer listening session. So, mayroon Siri, ayan, pwedeng call, play, multifunction, touch control. Both the earpiece are equipped with the touch sensors control. Simply perform different function by one tap, like play, pause, music, pick up, calling, which means it's convenient to use during office time and computing. So, hands-free phone call. Ayan. The earbuds deliver calls, your favorite podcast, and the music you love while keeping you aware of your surroundings when walking, working, or working out. So, maganda siya guys kasi cordless na rin siya, di ba? Yung mga headset, tama ba? Mga headset ba yun? Yung may mga cord na ganyan, di ba? Hassle pa, parang sagabal, di ba? So, ito, maganda na siya kasi dyan lang siya. Lagay mo lang siyang ganyan. So, di ba? Cordless na. So, yun guys, bago nyo siya bilhin, siyempre, check nyo muna guys yung kanyang features. Kung magugustuhan nyo ito guys, di ba? So, ilalagay ko sa description yung kanyang Amazon link. Tama ba yung ginawa ko guys? Kanina binuksan ko lang. So, try natin ito guys. Guys, easy to connect lang siya. So, binuksan ko yung aking Bluetooth. Ayan. And then, meron ko makikita dyan na A3. So, i-connect lang natin dun sa A3. Ayan, connected na guys. So, ang sabi is connected na. So, mag-try tayo ng music dito guys. So, lagay natin siya sa tenga. So, dito yung right. So, ito yung right. Tama ba ginagawa ko? So, yan ang right. So, meron naman siyang guys, sign dyan na for left and right siya. So, ito yung left. So, ganyan. Oh, wow. I'm so happy guys na meron na ako nito. Wala pa talaga ako nito. Oh, meron ng tunog guys. Naririnig ko na. Ayan, lagay tayo ng music. Lagay tayo. May tunog. Ayan, nagkaya ako ng music. Lakasan natin. Oh, malakas. Ayan. Okay naman siya guys kasi hindi basag yung boses or yung tunog ng kanta. So, 'di ba, merong minsan nababasag yung tunog ng sounds or music. So, ito parang speaker lang guys, 'di ba? Merong basag na tunog sa mga speaker. So, ito guys, hindi. Maganda yung kanyang tunog, yung tune ng music niya. So, malakas din siya. Yan, it's working guys. It's working. So, yan guys. If you wish to purchase this one guys, go check the future first before purchasing it. For today guys, see you on my next unboxing. Bye guys. Love you all. Mwah.
DJ